Hello everyone. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best blood pressure monitor in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Omron 7 Series Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor. The Omron Ultra Silent 7 Series Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor BP652N is slim and more discreet for readings anywhere you go. Its cuff size is 5.25 to 8.5 inches in wrist circumference and weighs only 12 ounces, so very light to carry. There are color-coded, normal, and high indicators plus a bar indicator that compares your readings to the average reading. This Omron 7 Series Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor also stores up to 100 readings with date and time stamp, allowing you to keep a comprehensive record of your readings over time to monitor any fluctuations in your readings. The 7 Series Wrist Monitor also automatically averages the last 3 readings over a period of 10 minutes for a more accurate picture of your heart's health. It features ultra-silent inflation, so measurements can be taken quietly, anywhere, anytime, and also features the Heart Zone Guidance technology, which helps to guide your wrist to heart level, making it easier to find the correct position for a precise reading every time. It is approved by FDA, it comes with 2 AAA batteries and provides a 5 years warranty. At number 4. LotFancy Blood Pressure Monitors. LotFancy blood pressure monitors are the most cost-effective and the most user-friendly brand for clinically accurate home blood pressure monitoring. It has a 4-inch LCD display with one touch of a button. Your systolic, diastolic, pulse readings and pulse rate will display on the screen. The cuff is designed for very large upper arms, fitting those from 16.5 to 23.5 inches in circumference. Its 6-level WHO indicator will show your readings in the normal green, high normal orange, or hypertension red range. The irregular heartbeat symbol appears when irregular heart rhythm is detected. Its internal memory is able to save 120 readings with date and time stamp. Large storage support up to 4 users to store and review the last 30 readings each. It is perfect for a family of 4 with a history of high blood pressure and heart disease. Its large LCD screen is easy to read that automatically displays the average of your last 3 readings recorded on screen, so its accuracy is well within acceptable levels. It runs on either well power or 4 AA batteries, is small and convenient, and a pleasure to use. It comes with a 2 years warranty, approved by FDA. At number 3. LifeSource Blood Pressure Monitors. LifeSource blood pressure monitors from A&D manufacturer provides an easy way to monitor your blood pressure at home. LifeSource comes with different cuff sizes both as part of the model and as a separate accessory. Its fitting is from 16.5 to 23.5 inches in circumference. LifeSource blood pressure monitors have an inbuilt feature called pressure rating indicator. This indicator indicates whether the blood pressure is low, normal or high. LifeSource one-step monitor provides an easy view of the systolic and diastolic reading clearly. Another important feature of LifeSource blood pressure monitor is irregular heartbeat detection. It has a memory capacity of 60 measurements with date and time stamp. This will allow keeping track of blood pressure and pulse rate from the past several months. In addition, it calculates the average of previous readings to give a clear sense of your measurements. LifeSource UA 767 Plus monitors are considered extremely accurate. They are tested clinically for accuracy, and European Hypertension Society approves it. This model runs on wall power or 4 AA batteries. It carries lifetime warranty, approved by FDA. At number 2. Omron 10 Series BP 786. It's the most comfortable and accurate home blood pressure machine on the market, with a wealth of features that make it invaluable for those who require regular monitoring. It is well padded and comfortable fit. It fits arms up to 17 inches in circumference. There are color-coded, normal, and high indicators plus a bar indicator that compares your readings to the average users. Its internal memory is able to save 200 readings with date and time stamp. This will allow keeping track of blood pressure and pulse rate from past several months. In addition, it calculates the average of previous readings to give a clear sense of your measurements. It can also record data for 2 different users. Its the backlit display is easy to read. Its default setting takes 3 readings within 3 minutes so you can receive an accurate average and able to detect irregular heartbeats. It doesn't have another device to use the Omron 10, but it's helpful. Its Bluetooth capability lets you pair with most Android or iOS devices to chart your readings and display them in graph form on the Omron app, and email them to your doctor. The Omron 10 runs on either AC power or 4 AA batteries, is small and convenient, and a pleasure to use. It comes with a 5 years warranty, approved by FDA. At number 1. Withings Wireless Blood Pressure Monitor. The Withings Wireless Blood Pressure Monitor is a device for people who want to measure their blood pressure at home, and keep track of their readings over time. The Withings Blood Pressure Monitor has a sleek and simple design. The cuff circumference is 9.17 inches with an aluminum tube and inflates automatically. The blood pressure monitor is extremely easy to use. There is one button, turn the device on, and the Withings HealthMate app is launched automatically. It is a highly accurate monitor with a deviation of plus or minus 3 mm of mercury or 2% of reading. Its FAQ section shows information icons near the top of the screen and includes information about how to lower blood pressure. You can configure the monitor to take the reading 1 time or 3 times. It takes reading 3 times and provide average of all the 3 readings. Through the app, you can also set an alarm and get notification at the same time each day. This wireless arm monitor has a BP risk category indicator with color green, orange, red as per the standards and data averaging function. It allows multiple users to store readings separately and includes a one-size-fits-most cuff. The device has dual connectivity. The device can be connected to your phones through Bluetooth and USB cable. It also offers Android compatibility even on the dashboard of your PCs. It comes with 4 AAA batteries. It provides a 12-month warranty, approved by FDA.